So hey everyone, this is Karan. So in last video we have seen what are the types of attack and why they are important. So in this video we are going to cover some topic of a passive attack, and upcoming videos will be also related to the passive attack though. So after completing the passive we will move further to the active attack. So without wasting time, let's get started. So I hope from last video you have cleared your basics requirement, like what is a passive attack. I will introduce little bit. So passive attack is like that we are gathering the, or you may say the collecting the information of user or user server without interacting with that a particular person or server. So anyone else can't detect that someone is performing passive information, because we are collecting the information from the open source and already publicly available data. So it's not kind of illegal thing. So I hope passive is clear to you. So what we are going to see actually today, so we are going to cover the topic of website recon and footprinting. So why it's important. So I will say, if you are attacking to the server or websites, you should have much and more information for increase your attack vector. For example, if you're having multiple attack vector and in future one attack vector is not working for you, so you can move further to complete your task. So you have lot of option for the attacking. If one version is not vulnerable, so you can look out to another one. So first of all, I will say IP address is much important. If you are attacking to the website, so obviously it will have IP address. I'm not talking about their name like google.com. This is a domain name system. So every name are connected to their IP. So first of all, you have to cover the you have to take what are the IP for the website. So I hope IP address is clear for you. So now we are going to find the IP address. So there are multiple tools to find the IP address. Let me introduce one of them tool. So I will say I know the one tool which is named as NS lookup. So from this tool you can find the IP address for the website, what are the IP for them. So for example, I will look out for the Google. So google.com, and as we entered, so I got the IP address for the Google. So this is the IP for the Google for verifying. So we are going to ping google.com. So while pinging, it's targeting the IP address of same IP whatever they have given. So we can confirm that it is a IP of the Google. So now we have collected a IP address. Now we can perform many kind of attacks. So we are not going to cover that attacks in this video. So just we are going to cover the passive one. So after the finding IPs, so what are the next importance? So after the finding IP, as you know, there is a website and we have to find multiple hidden directories. So what are the directories? Like we are saving files, and particular file have so many more sub files. So as the same way, website also having same things. Like I have this website. So let me show you the URL parameter. So I hope it is visible now. So this is the URL, and just we have to look the multiple IP addresses. So I will show you sitemap.xml. So here there are multiple websites where you can travel from directly. So these are the directories. So this is the main URL where we automatically spawn, and after that there are directories like attack resistance assessment and attack resistance assessment IP. There are multiple directories. So from here you can look the details about the website. What does the website do? From here you can look it very easily. So like this, you have to visit the details of the website and gather the information for whatever you can use from this kind of things. So just not only tricks that you can visit the website manually, so you can easily understand what are the basic information that might be help you in the attack, like emails of employee or email of the owners, or like many things you can find from this. And second one, wait, I will show the images so you will get easily understand. So we have seen the sitemap XML where there is multiple URL of related to your websites. and whatever directories are present for that your particular website, you will get easily view from that. And after that, I will say to visit the robot.txt. So let me show you. This is where you make this algorithm say you have to allow this and disallow. So what is use of this? While searching, if you are searching hacker1, so this website is hacker1, right? So while searching, owner of the website, he doesn't want to show the some information like a readme.txt or web config. So they do disallow. So while searching, the search engine will not show this kind of directories of this website. So you can just see the information while searching these kind of things, but you can't see this because they have did disallow. So like this, you can hide your particular directories like login page. You can access it, but while searching or search engine will not show this kind of things of website. So here you can visit this particular directory search, or there are, I think so I've seen this is a login where you can directly paste it and you can directly go to the login and you can perform kind of attack. I'm not targeting this particular website, I'm just showing you the examples. So like this, you can find the details about the website. So I will prefer you to more and more research on these things, like these are the base of the attacking. So let's now I will say, after the finding IPs and hidden direct. So I will prefer, after the finding hidden directories and IP address, you should also find the names. Like many of the times people have same password as their names. So I will prefer this, or find the owner who has taken the ownership of the website, or who has taken the DNS. So this kind of things might be help you. For example, email also. So after that, phone number, of course you have the phone number, you can do many things from the phone number. And hope last one is physical address. So there are multiple things you can gather from the website. Just you have to research and give a lot of time for that. So you can create more and more vectors for you. So now I will say web technology. So this is kind of information where you need sometimes or may not, but IP address is important and directories. So web technologies, why they are important? While attacking, you have to see what kind of technology website is using. For example, it's using PHP, okay? You have to find the technology and their versions. So where a version will help you, let me, okay. So you have to find what kind of versions are working, like PHP or HTTP. You have to find their versions also. If so, it is a old version. So I think you can find the exploit and easily they are vulnerable and you can directly attack from the version names. Your website is based on which technology, so you can focus on that. So after this, I will show you some tools like a host. So what is a host? This let me show you. So host, and after that you have to give some domain or IP address. So I will give a zone. So here you can see the details about the website, where like their IPv6 addresses. Those, I think this website have 2 IP addresses, IPv6 addresses. And you can see where are they, what kind of servers they are using for the Google mailing and Google. All of them are Google's. And from this, you can also verify the what kind of DNS server they are using. So DNS is much important while attacking. So in after 1 to 2 videos, I will post the DNS videos. So you can get gather the easily information from that particular tools. So host is a kind of wait. I have one more tool where. So second one is what is. So if you don't know what host do, so just you have to type what is host. Okay, so it will give short DNS lookup utility. So this tool is going to provide you some DNS lookup, what kind of DNS they are using, which server are handling the website DNS. So you can get information from host. And what is just a small tool which will provide you some kind of information this particular tool do. So our third tool is what web. So as I said, web technology is much important for the gather. So I have a tool what web. So from this you can gather the information what technology they websites are using. So I will again give the website name. so it's taking some kind of time. So okay, now from this we can see some kind of information like it is using HTTP Apache. So even I think we have IP addresses, like what technologies they are using and these things. So this was the today's video, and where we seen the some kind of basic information like what is the footprinting and what kind of detail we can gather from the website passively. So that's it for today, and I will say thank you for watching.